Good afternoon everyone. Maniud to deda ato ang kauntaan ay yan. Bulad sa taron ha. Kaya ganahan mo kaon like bulad sa. This is a dry fish. Dry fish ha, mga English dry fish. Good afternoon everyone. I'll take my
Langa?
what is this? This is suka vinegar. You want to this one vinegar? Oh yes. With spicy chili. Okay. This is a corn rice. Corn rice.
Corn rice?
Yeah. You know, we have a follower in the other Chinatown. Okay, bye bye. Yeah. Enjoy my meals. Thank you for watching.